How to fix Riyad Bank app login failed. So if the application login has failed on a Riyad banking application, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. If you're using proxy or any of the other settings for that matter, like a VPN, make sure to disable them. You can also open Riyad Bank and check if your username, national ID, Iqama, visitor ID or your password is correct, because if any of these details are incorrect, you will not be able to log in, and you must also make sure you've registered for it. So you can also tap on reset username or password in case you forgot your username or password based on your Riyad Bank account. Other things you can check is you can try to uninstall and reinstall the Riyad Bank app, or you can go to your Play Store and simply search for the Riyad Bank application over there. And once you've done that, check if it has an update. If it doesn't, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.